Welcome to my channel. Today we are talking about the stunning and breathtaking 2026 Maserati MC Pura, a machine that represents the pure soul of Italian performance engineering and takes Maserati's supercar legacy to an entirely new level. If you love exotic cars, aggressive design, and the thrill of high-revving twin-turbo power, then this is the car you have been waiting for. The 2026 Maserati MC Pura is not just a supercar, it is an emotional experience built on passion, precision, and performance. Under the hood, or more accurately behind the cockpit, the 2026 Maserati MC Pura carries the heart of a true Italian beast. Maserati continues to use its revolutionary Nettuno engine, a 3.0-liter twin-turbocharged V6 developed completely in-house. This engine produces around 630 horsepower and more than 730 Nm of torque, delivering explosive acceleration and razor-sharp throttle response. The pre-chamber combustion technology derived from Formula 1 allows this engine to breathe and perform like something truly special. From 0 to 100 km per hour, the MC Pura can sprint in under 2.9 seconds, and it pushes toward a top speed exceeding 325 km per hour. The sound is raw, mechanical, and emotional, a reminder that this is not just about numbers, it is about feeling every second behind the wheel. The 2026 Maserati MC Pura is built on a lightweight carbon fiber monocoque chassis. Maserati focused heavily on weight distribution and structural rigidity. The result is a supercar that weighs under 1,500 kilograms, giving it an incredible power-to-weight ratio. This lightweight construction not only improves acceleration but also enhances handling precision and braking performance. Every corner feels sharp and controlled, and the steering delivers feedback that connects the driver directly to the road. Design is where the MC Pura truly stands apart. Maserati calls it pure performance in sculpted form. The front fascia is aggressive yet elegant, featuring sharp LED headlights that blend seamlessly into aerodynamic air intakes. The signature Maserati trident sits proudly in the center of the grille, reminding everyone of the heritage behind this machine. The low and wide stance gives it an unmistakable supercar presence. From the side profile, you can see dramatic air channels carved into the body, guiding airflow to cool the engine and improve downforce. The butterfly doors open upward, adding theater every time you step in or out of the car. At the rear, the design is clean yet purposeful. The integrated spoiler and large diffuser work together to enhance aerodynamic efficiency. Slim LED taillights stretch horizontally, giving the car a futuristic and high-tech look. The quad exhaust outlets produce that signature Maserati roar, and the entire rear end looks like it was shaped by the wind itself. The MC Pura is a perfect combination of beauty and aggression, something only Italian designers can truly master. Inside the cabin, the 2026 Maserati MC Pura is focused entirely on the driver. The interior is minimalistic but luxurious. High-quality Alcantara, carbon fiber, and fine leather dominate the space. The seats are lightweight racing buckets designed to hold you firmly during high-speed cornering. The steering wheel features a flat-bottom design with integrated drive mode selectors, allowing you to switch between GT, Sport, Casa, and ESC off modes instantly. Every button and switch is positioned with purpose, keeping distractions to a minimum. Technology is modern yet not overwhelming. A digital instrument cluster provides essential performance data, including boost pressure, lap times, and G-force readings. The central touchscreen supports advanced connectivity, smartphone integration, and navigation. However, Maserati made sure the focus remains on driving, not screens. Even the sound system is tuned to complement the engine note rather than overpower it. One of the most exciting aspects of the 2026 Maserati MC Pura is its driving dynamics. The adaptive suspension system constantly adjusts to road conditions, providing comfort in GT mode and extreme stiffness in Casa mode. The limited slip differential ensures maximum traction, especially during aggressive acceleration out of corners. The braking system features large carbon ceramic discs that provide incredible stopping power with minimal fade. Whether you are on a racetrack or a mountain road, the MC Pura feels alive and responsive. Maserati has also refined aerodynamics for 2026. The underbody is fully optimized to increase downforce without adding excessive drag. Active aerodynamic elements adjust automatically at high speeds to improve stability. This means the MC Pura is not only fast in a straight line but also incredibly composed at high velocity. The car feels planted and confident, inspiring trust even at extreme speeds. Another key highlight is exclusivity. Maserati plans to produce the MC Pura in limited numbers, making it a rare sight on the road. Buyers can customize their car through the Maserati Fascia program, choosing unique paint colors, interior trims, and even personalized stitching patterns. This level of customization ensures that each MC Pura is as unique as its owner. In terms of competition, the 2026 Maserati MC Pura stands proudly against other exotic supercars from brands like Ferrari and Lamborghini. However, Maserati offers something slightly different. While others focus purely on extreme aggression, the MC Pura balances performance with elegance. It is a car that can dominate a racetrack yet still cruise comfortably through city streets. That dual personality makes it incredibly appealing to enthusiasts who want both excitement and refinement. Fuel efficiency is not the main focus here, but Maserati has worked to improve overall efficiency through advanced engine management systems and lightweight construction. The twin-turbo V6 provides strong performance without the massive displacement of older V8 engines, showing how modern engineering can deliver both power and efficiency. Safety features are also enhanced for 2026. Although it is a supercar, the MC Pura includes advanced driver assistance systems such as stability control, traction management, and optional parking sensors with camera support. These features ensure that while the car is capable of extreme performance, it remains manageable and safe for everyday driving. When you sit inside the 2026 Maserati MC Pura and press the start button, the engine fires up with a deep, aggressive growl. The vibration travels through the chassis, reminding you that this machine is alive. As you shift through the 8-speed dual-clutch transmission, each gear change is quick and precise. Paddle shifters mounted behind the steering wheel provide full control, allowing you to keep your hands firmly in position while attacking corners. On open highways, the MC Pura feels smooth and stable. In GT mode, the suspension softens slightly, making long drives surprisingly comfortable. Switch to Sport or Casa, and the car transforms into a track weapon. Throttle response sharpens, suspension stiffens, and the exhaust note becomes louder and more aggressive. This transformation shows the versatility built into the MCPura's DNA. The 2026 Maserati MC Pura is more than just a new model. It represents Maserati's commitment to innovation and performance. It proves that the brand can compete at the highest level of the supercar world while maintaining its unique identity. The combination of cutting-edge technology, lightweight engineering, and timeless Italian design makes this car truly special. For car enthusiasts and collectors, the MC Pura is a dream machine. It offers the thrill of a race car combined with the craftsmanship of a luxury brand. Every detail, from the stitching on the seats to the aerodynamic sculpting of the body, reflects attention to perfection. As we look toward the future of high-performance vehicles, including hybrid and electric technology, the 2026 Maserati MC Pura stands as a celebration of pure internal combustion excitement. It captures the essence of driving passion before the industry fully transitions to electrification. That makes it even more meaningful for enthusiasts who crave the sound and emotion of a powerful twin-turbo engine. In conclusion, the 2026 Maserati MC Pura is a masterpiece of engineering and design. It delivers breathtaking acceleration, precise handling, stunning aesthetics, and luxurious comfort all in one package. This is not just a car you drive, it is a car you experience. If you are passionate about exotic performance machines, the MC Pura deserves your full attention. Thank you for watching, and if you enjoyed this detailed review of the 2026 Maserati MC Pura, make sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and share your thoughts in the comments below. Let me know what you think about this incredible Italian supercar and whether you would choose it over other exotic rivals. I will see you in the next video with another exciting automotive masterpiece.